Hi, I'm Chris McGinnis with Fine & Country, and thanks for joining me here today in Cannes. Specifically, we're in Super Cannes, right at the tip top of the Col Saint-Antoine. We're about to tour a 3-bedroom house. It's got a massive living room, master suite on the main living level, opening out onto a south-facing terrace with large swimming pool, pool house, and 2-bedroom suites upstairs. Come join me and we'll go have a look together. So we're in the main entertaining area of this house, and it is essentially a triple living room. We've got open plan kitchen with all the bells and whistles, living room, dining room, and even space for a grand piano. One of the cool things about this house is that the kitchen can either be open or you can close it behind these beautifully fitted cupboards. So outside, we've got this beautiful terrace with swimming pool, and behind the lens, which we'll look at later, is a fantastic summer kitchen. Come on, have a look at this. Today there's a table for 4, but essentially there's space enough for 12. We've got a shower room and a toilet, and a second kitchen right here outside. This structure could equally be used as an additional bedroom suite, a bit more independent from the rest of the house, if so desired. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour. If you can see here behind me, that's the Cap d'Antibes. We've got beautiful sea views from this property, beautiful sun exposure, and total peace and quiet. Please let us know what you think. We're looking so much forward to hearing from you. Drop us a line in the comments here below, and don't hesitate to get in touch as soon as you can to book a private tour.